Okay, last one on this side. Number 4. In recent years, fiber optic cables have been replacing copper wire as means of transmitting communication signals. Describe the difference between the signals. So we're thinking about the signals and what is different. So describe the difference between the signals that are transmitted by fiber optic cables and by copper wire. This is awesomely easy. It doesn't say explain, it just says describe. If we take a look here at what we already know, let's see here. Wires carry electronic signals, fiber optic carries light signals. That's what you're being asked. Fiber optic carries light. All right, wire carries electricity or electronic signals. Sorry, it says electronic. That is pretty much all they're asking. If they were to say explain what's better about one than the other, the better one is the light signal because it can transmit farther without interference. Because everything is contained, remember our drawing of our total internal reflection? Everything is contained inside of the wire and you don't lose any. So transmit farther without interference and you don't lose any data. It also transmits at the speed of light, so it's super fast. All right, so there are 4 things that are better about fiber optics than electronics. Electronic signals are slower. There's more interference. So that resistance that we talked about back when we were studying electricity, sometimes when the temperature goes up, the resistance becomes very high and it does slow down your transmission. So your internet will literally slow down if it gets hot outside or if your computer gets really hot because the signal can't travel as fast or as clear. It also does not travel as far. So you can't send it that far because it starts to lose its like oomph over a specific period of time. So you have to have like an extra push in the middle of the transmission if it's going over long distance. Doesn't travel as far, more interference, it is slower. There you go. That could be the answer to another question on an MCAS, possibly. The way that we're going to score this, you get 2 for telling me that light goes down the fiber optic cable. You get 2 more for matching up electronic signals with your wire. Wow. My husband is doing the dishes. He's killing the dishes, apparently. I'm so glad he's doing them.